This is what's known as a fillet knife. This is the Four Seasons fillet knife, and it's incredibly flexible. Reason being, when filleting a fish, you always want to have the tip of the knife, and only the tip of the knife, running along the bone. The second you leave the bone, you're now cutting into flesh, and that's not good. So, watch. I'll start at the head. I'm gonna go ahead and cut down until I feel bone. Once I feel bone, stop. Do the same on the tail. I feel bone, I stop. What I'm doing here is effectively creating an outline of the fillet. So, again, get in there, tip first, run along in one smooth fashion, all the way down to your previous cut, okay? Continue this motion, all the way down, see that? Do it again, running all the way down. This is nice flesh. By never leaving the bone, you always have a beautiful fillet. Let's flip the fish over and do it again. Outline your cut that you intend to do, just like I did before. I'm gonna run only the tip of my knife along the upper region. See that? Always keeping the tip of my knife touching the bone. Again, the second you leave the bone, the second you're cutting into flesh. Mira. Now that we have this beautiful side of black cod, all we need to do is remove the skin. One way I like to do that is give myself a little notch to work with. See this? I'll cut toward myself, giving me something to grab onto. Skin of fish is inherently slippery, so you need to make your life easier. Giving yourself a little notch to work with, I'll insert the knife one more time, and now you'll notice I'm pressing with ample pressure down to the cutting board. This will flatten out and bend my knife, allowing me to push and pull simultaneously, effectively removing the skin.